Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Crypto David and today we are talking about Quant QNT. What a jam-packed video, very informative for you today, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Do you want to say thank guys for nearly 3,000 subscribers? Share the video, tell a friend. I don't say it much, but I'm very appreciative of everyone who watches my channel. But the title of the video is today, I would rather have 5 Quant than $2,000. Now after making that title, and I was thinking, well, you could just take $2,000 and then buy Quant, whatever it may be. I think it's 15, 16, 17 Quant, around that sort of area. But let's just make it that you can't spend that $2,000 on crypto or Quant. And if that's the situation, I would definitely take 5 Quant. So go further into that concept. A lot of market news, Quant news, which first time to the channel. Please subscribe, leave a like down below. Without further ado, here we go. Okay, so before we go into any tweets, anything like that, let's just stick with the title of the video. Let me prove to you why I would take 5 Quant right now. So $2,000 right now. That is 17 Quant. So 17 Quant, obviously not going to be invested at. So $575 for 5 Quant right now. So I'm taking $575 pretty much value right now instead of 2,000. So let's put that into the crypto coin calculator and put my price predictions and why I would keep 5 Quant. So just type in Quant here. Sometimes it doesn't come up. There she is. Quant. So $575. So around 5,000 coins. Price predictions. Let's even put in 1,000 Quant, which I think will happen. Not very, very soon, but not long at all. And that's going to give me $4,000, 400. That is double than what I take right now. It's always best to refuse money and take Quant instead. And when it comes to, Christmas or my birthday, if I'm getting, family members to give me money or presents or anything, I would rather have Quant. Or just give me money so I can invest in Quant. And obviously, $1,000, that's very low. 10k per Quant is the goal I have in mind. 86x, $50,000. And in that time where I look back on that $2,000 I could have got, I will be thankful that I picked 5 Quant. First tweet today here is by X-Captain. What did the Vice President of BlackRock say about XRP, XCC, and QNT? Let's read this paragraph here. What the space needs is a decoupling from the meme coins and with those long-term utility use cases that will disrupt many industries in order for the space to grow and mature. Quant, AVAX, ETH 2.0, XCC, XRP, many promising projects waiting to take the market by storm. I agree with XRP, XCC, and QNT. Not so much ETH 2.0. I tried to look further in to see if this is true, legit, because from first glance it looks pretty fake to be honest, but I think he's not in a high position as they're saying he is, or there's actually quite a lot of people in that position. But nonetheless, I agree with a lot of what he is saying, and I agree with what he's saying, as I say on the channel, there's a lot of meme coins, a lot of noise in the market. It will be filtered out with regulations. Also, another tweet by Galileo Protocol. I'm not affiliated with these guys in any way, only 500 followers, but I find this concept pretty interesting. With Quant's Overledger, Galileo Protocol will now offer users the ability to create QRC721 PNFTs, physical NFTs, and deploy them on Ethereum, Polygon, and XCC network. Here is actually Nathaniel, the co-founder, saying here users can conveniently purchase, exchange, and hold physical non-fungible tokens, which are entirely backed one-to-one by physical assets. And here are some of the assets down here. These physical NFTs will include exceptional watches, wines, spirits, works of art, luxury cars, real estate, gold, diamonds, and much more. I've personally never heard of physical NFTs, so if you have something within the vault, you can get that in person. It seems very cool. I'm going to keep a tab on this and keep a tab on this concept because it seems very, very interesting. Also, with the blockchain media, Quant is currently ranked 44. Still extremely undervalued. I think we've seen this picture within the Quant community 100 times, but it's always good to go over it and have a little relook at what it's actually all about. I'm pretty sure it's fan-made as well, but that doesn't matter nonetheless. We've seen payment APIs, blockchains, enterprise blockchains, banking APIs, IoT APIs. Remember as well, also support smart contracts, digital identities, and fungible and non-fungible assets. And Quant also connects legacy systems to current and future systems. Quant's partnerships is in a realm of itself, and you can see some of them listed here: Corda, Hyperledger, Amazon Web Services, Oracle, Alliance Block. The list goes on and on. Also listing here, MEXC Global, 547k followers, pretty huge. Will list as a spot trading pair in assessment zone, blah blah blah, August 2nd. This is our listing. This is huge. This is progress. I don't even know what exchanges Quant even isn't listed on. When I think of all the major exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, all the major ones, it is already listed on. And I think a reason that the Quant holders are going up so high is because it's on every major exchange that you can think of. If you go on Etherscan, You check it every hour or so, the quant holders are going up crazily. If you go on coinfi.com, you can see a chart of it going parabolically to the upside, going crazy amounts in the past couple of months, and it's because it's on every single major exchange that you can think of, because people are fussy, they are picky. If a project is not on Binance or Coinbase, they will simply not buy that, and you do not have that problem with Quant. Now we have a tweet by Quant Network themselves. Let me read this little paragraph for you. Most big financial services institutions have a 2 to 3 year strategy to digitize every type of instrument, asset, stock, and security they have to benefit from. Tokenization and access to markets and clients, says our CEO, Gilbert Viridian. When I think about people in competition with Quant or other interoperable solutions, none are as far ahead as Quant they are right now. And in terms of client demand as well, it is high and getting higher by the day. And when I think about the actual success of Quant, I think the whole reason, or one of the big reasons, is because of Gilbert Viridian himself. Now on the channel, I've talked about his portfolio, how impressive it is in terms of the whole crypto industry, but there's a specific part that I want to go over in the volunteering section. There's actually a video correlated to that at the end of the video. He's the founder, blockchain ISO standard TC 307. It kind of shows with the people behind this project that Quant was birthed for regulatory compliance from the get-go. Also, if you go to his experience, talked about this before, insane, Chief Information Security Officer at MasterCard Company, Ministry of Justice UK, BP, HSBC, Her Majesty Treasury, the list goes on and on. Also a tweet here by Vila, why buy lottery tickets when you can have Quant in your bag? I don't understand the mindset of buying a lottery or gambling or anything like that. Just invest in Quant, not invest in Quant, but invest in crypto. I don't think crypto is near half as risky. I don't think Quant is that risky at all, in my opinion. I like tweets like this as well, where it's showing how much he has purchased. We will be looking back on these tweets in 2025, even 2030. This guy bought 10 or 11 Quant. What the hell? That is absolutely insane. We'll be looking back on these tweets just like the tweets of people buying Bitcoin or people selling Bitcoin, and now we laugh at them. I might actually stop buying for a couple of weeks, couple of months, save up a lot of Quant, and do a live video where I purchase a large amount of Quant. I might actually do that. I think that'd be a pretty exciting video to make and then look back on in the future. So I want to leave you guys with a video by Crypto Mason talking about TC307, how it's actually really adopted already. Very good video by Crypto Mason. And that's going to be pretty much it for today's video. You know, price is pumping crazy up, 13% for the day. You know, I was expecting lower prices again. I spent a bit of a pullback, but it looks like we're going up again. I'm not complaining at all. But I do hope we go down, you know, in the coming months or so we can get back of a chance at these lower sort of prices, because I won't be buying at $118 right now. I do think it's good buying opportunities, you know, for where Quant's actually going to go. But I want to get more bang for my buck and wait a little bit lower as I purchase at these lower sort of positions. But you may have found a video. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Quant spearheaded the blockchain ISO standard, TC307. Quant actually made an ISO standard. So all of you people talking about ISO 20022, blah, 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 Quant is spearheading ISO TC307, which has already been adopted by 57 countries and organizations worldwide, and solved interoperability with the creation of one of the world's first blockchain agnostic API gateways, which is Overledger. It's proved such a hit thanks to the use of low code, which enables users to create interoperable smart contracts and tokens more cheaply, easily, and in a matter of minutes instead of months. And it does not require the use of specialized programming languages. We're sitting at $102. I want to get Quant at $50. So I am closely watching this, right? We just came from under $50 right here. And shout out to the ones that are buying, because you have doubled your money.